Alright, there's Phil, and welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. So, today our project is to see if Phil knows enough about this computer in order to take it home and use it in his own place, all by himself. He's not a computer guy. He's never had a computer other than his kids maybe having one, and that's about it, right, Phil?
That's it.
He can use a mobile phone a little bit, so he's got a little bit of background to go with, but it's not the same thing. So what we did was we pulled it out from underneath there, and I wanted to get that all cleaned up and repurpose everything, which we did. We did that last week or the week before. And I got this computer up here, and I've cleaned it up, and I put some games on it for him to learn by playing the games how to use the computer. So we're going to find out what he does know. The moment of truth, Phil.
Not much.
So anyway, let's power it on, turn on the computer, and turn on your monitor. He's doing good so far.
Ooh, 2 for 2.
2 for 2. So it's powering up, and it's a slow old computer. It's nothing fast, but it's going to be enough for him to learn with.
It'll be faster than I am.
There you go. So it's not a big deal, right?
Nope.
So it's powering up. And it'll just take a minute or two, maybe 3. And so we're going to figure out if he knows how to play the music videos and if he knows how to get to his games. And basically for now, that's what we want to know. And how to shut it on and off. So, still booting up. Still booting up. And it's not quite done yet. It's still working. Sorry about the jiggling here. My hand strap came a little loose, but here we go. Back in business. So,
It's good.
it's up. So let's first thing figure out how to bring your games up. You remember that part?
No. I don't know. Let's see.
Next to the Windows button in the corner there's a file folder, right?
Yeah, right there.
Right, bring that up.
Okay.
Make sure you're clicking the right button.
Yeah.
Go off of that into the black and click your button. Well, that's okay. Whatever you did, you made it get there. How about that? So
No.
click on your music, then my music. Oh, you're already there, I guess. Yeah. So there's your playlist.
Right.
So load up a playlist. That by clicking your other button. And you get a drop down box, right?
Yeah.
And then click play.
Okay, gotta find it.
Up at the top. Play will be at the top.
Open.
Very top. I can see it from here.
You can. This
Yeah,
it?
play in the very dark on the very top.
In the dark.
So we gotta get up here a little closer and show him. Oh, and it's not play, it's open.
It's open. Okay.
My bad. So it was open.
Okay.
And it's gonna load up the VLC player. Slowly. It does everything slowly. I don't see it happening, Phil.
Me neither. No, didn't want that.
Go to open or play, whichever it says. Now it says play.
Right, what, the right one or the left one? I
Well,
forgot.
just it'd be the left one.
Okay, that's the one I hit.
That's just gonna load up one song.
Okay.
So he figured out how to turn his music on. And we can't have the music going because I'll get a copyright strike.
Yeah, okay.
So actually does work. So we've got the sound down. So go ahead and learn how to close your music player. The red X.
Red X. Where's
Red X top right corner.
there it is.
Yeah.
And let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Wow.
And that's your file folder. That's where you find all your files.
Right there.
So now you can go to games, scroll and find games.
Videos.
Okay, close that. Wait, I'll tell you a different way. Close that. Right? And go to hit your Windows button. And then click on all programs. Right? And then find games. It'll take a second to load. Down here. Down further. Click all programs. Got to scroll. There's a scroll wheel on the top. You know that little rollable thing?
Oh.
Yeah. So up and down, find games. Right. And then there's your game.
All right.
If you're not seeing what you're looking for, then scroll up and down. Find it.
Okay.
And he opened up 3D pinball. That's an old pinball game I've wasted a lot of time to. And then this is controlled by the keyboard, this game. This is a Windows 7 classic game. So he would have to use the space bar to pull back the plunger. And then there goes the ball. And then Z and slash are the paddle.
A and slash.
Slash and Z.
Oh, Z, okay.
One
A
on
and
each
Z.
side.
Well, that's close. I was only 25 letters off.
Yeah. No big deal.
Yeah.
And if you need to know, then you can go up and find out. Right?
Oh, right there.
Yeah, I want to try that one, see what it tells you. With left click on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Try game. If you want a new game, and then the demo actually tells you how to run it. It gives you a demonstration.
Oh, okay.
You can actually change the keys that control the paddles and the plunger.
Yeah, that's all right. No, that's good.
You can change it if you don't like the ones that it's got.
Z and slash. That's
You're
fine.
not ready for that.
No, Z and slash is fine.
So that's where we're at now. So we need to know that Phil can shut it down when he's done playing. Right? He's finding his stuff, sort of, kind of. I'll probably get a few phone calls, but that's okay. And we want him to shut it down now. So you need to go down to your Windows button.
Windows right there.
Left click it once, slide over to shut down.
Shut down right here.
And shut down. And then of course you would shut off your monitor. When it tells you it's shutting down, then you shut off your monitor. That way you know it's shutting down. So yeah, you can do it now. And that's it. No.
No, that's all.
You already done that.
Yep, that's all.
So that's where we're at now, folks. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it over to his house. He doesn't have anything to set it up on, so we're going to use this little folding table I have. And he's going to borrow it until he either decides he wants to buy the folding table or he buys something else to put it on. Ain't no big deal. It's right next door. So he ain't going to get too far with it.
No.
So that's where we're at, folks, and we'll put the other end of the video on after this. But for this portion, toodaloo, toodaloo. Toodaloo, Phil.
Later.
Lady. All right, folks.